Hey there, Jody here, the creator of this reading tracker Notion template. I just wanted to give you a really quick preview of what you will get in this template when you buy it. So as you can see on the very top here, we have our reading wish list. So you can collect and list any books that you're wanting to get and the price if you're buying it and the release date if it has not yet been released. Below that, you can track all your books based on what you're reading, what you're going to read, what you've already read, and your favorite books based on the rating you have given it. On the right of that, you have organized books by what you've borrowed from other people, those books you've lent out to other people, and your library books, so you can keep track of all of those. The library books include the due date and how many days left until it's due. Below that, you can track your annual goals based on total books and total pages, and this all auto-calculates for you based on goals. Below that, there's calendar space for any book clubs or discussion groups you have, just to keep track of your meetings and your goals for how many pages you are to read before the meeting and that kind of thing. Keep all the details in one place. Below that, there's space to save your favorite quotes and just bookmarks in general, things you want to remember. On the right of that is a habit tracker, so you can track how many days you've read each month, and it will update with a progress bar. And below that, there's space for some reading resources online. I've preloaded quite a few here. And then below that, there will be a tutorial video embedded here for easy reference with a lot more detail about how to use this template. And the last thing is you will get 35 reading prompts here just to keep your books and your library varied and to try some different things you may not have tried before. And there are also some journal prompts for each of the books you do input in your library, just down here on each page for the book. So you can review your book using these questions or add your own. And yeah, that's it. So I hope you enjoy this template.